Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The petition, filed by Patkar in July 2022, stemmed from Kamat and Lobo's apparent inclination towards the BJP. At the time, both leaders were Congress MLAs but had exhibited discontent with the party. Lobo, in particular, held the position of leader of opposition in the assembly when the disqualification petition was filed. The development comes after both Kamat and Lobo, along with 6 other MLAs, switched allegiance to the BJP in September 2022 following the filing of the disqualification petition. This decision follows recent directives from the Supreme Court, which, on 14th April, expressed concern over the delay in handling the disqualification cases. The court heard a petition seeking action on pending disqualification petitions against 8 Congress rebel MLAs, including Lobo and Kamat. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.